Hey kids, here's a new game. Who wants to play this game? Come over here.
Oh, what is it?
Well, it's a fortune wheel. Which color would you like?
Blue, please.
Blue. Okay, turn the wheel, try your luck. Go!
Blue, blue. Orange,
Blue.
orange.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's green, not blue. Try your luck next time. Alright? Next one.
Can I go?
Sure, which color would you like?
Purple.
Purple. Alright, try your luck, turn the wheel. Go!
Purple, purple.
It's purple, yes! Yes, congratulations. Here is your prize.
Michelle, look what I got. Congratulations.
Okay, next one please. Okay, which color would you like?
I'd like red.
Red. Alright, turn the wheel, test your luck. Here you go. Go!
Red, red, red.
What have I got in my bag today? Put your hand in it and tell me.
An apple?
What color is the apple?
Red.
I don't know. Let's have a look, shall we?
Alright.
It's green. Do you like green apples?
No, I like red apples.
Alright, try again. Get yourself a red apple.
Alright.
Now, let's see if it's a red one or a green one.
It's red.
So, the apple is yours.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye. Now it's your turn. Come over here. What have I got in my bag? Put your hand in.
A pear.
Yellow or green? Guess.
Green.
What about you?
Yellow.
Why don't you take it out and let's find out?
It's green. I've got it.
Congratulations.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye. And who is next?
Yeah, right. Why?
the great dragon, he lives close to Hong Kong. Green can be a snake, oh so long. Colors of the new rainbow, its colors I can see. Colors in a bright morning for you
Let's go to make the video.
Okay, let's go. Hi!
Hi!
Hello, we're reporters from the wonderful TV. And I'm Paul.
And I'm Irene.
We would like to make a video. The topic is my favorite things.
We want to know what you like to do most. What do you like to do most?
Playing basketball and going to the beach. I like collecting seashells and playing with the sand.
Thank you. What are your favorite things to do?
I like swimming and watching TV programs.
Thank you. What do you like to do most?
Eating my favorite foods and playing with my friends.
Thank you very much.
Swimming at the seaside and playing with friends. Going to a movie, watching till it ends. These are some of my favorite things, the things I like to do. Yes, they're some of my favorite things. Do you wanna do them too? Getting lacy packets, playing basketball, watching TV programs. I wanna watch them all. These are some of my favorite things, the things I like to do. Yes, they're some of my favorite things. Do you wanna do them too? Eating tasty pizza, having barbecues, going to a restaurant, eating my best food. Swimming at the seaside and playing with friends. Going to a movie, watching till it ends. These are some of my favorite things, the things I like to do. Yes, they're some of my favorite things. Do you wanna do them too? Getting lacy packets, playing basketball, watching TV programs. I wanna watch them all.
La 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 la.
It's a beautiful day. A beautiful, beautiful day. I love to eat outside on a beautiful day like today. Yes. I'll drink milkshake. Ah, milkshake. So yummy. Hot dog. Milkshake. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I love milkshake and hot dog too. They're both so yummy.
I'm happy. Milkshake good and pizza good too. I like pizza. Tastes so good.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. I can smell the flowers and I can smell my hot dog too. Flower. Hot dog now. I'll smell it. Hot dog. It smells good. Flower. Hot dog. Flower. Hot dog.
I can smell trees and grass. And I can smell my pizza too. Trees and grass, pizza, trees and grass, pizza.
Tissue bowl! Huh? Tissue bowl! I can smell tissue bowl!
Where's my tissue bowl? I can smell tissue bowl.
Hey!
I can smell
Tissue bowl? What are you doing? What are you smelling?
Can you smell my tissue bowl? I can smell tissue bowl. I want to eat tissue bowl.
No, I only smell hot dog. I don't smell chashu bao.
I can't smell chow su bao. I can only
Yeah.
smell pizza. Go away.
Yeah,
Where's
go
my
away.
tissue bowl?
No,
can smell
we're
it.
smelling hot dogs, not chashu
Smell
bao.
my pizza.
No,
Where's
hot
my
dog.
tissue bowl?
Huh? What's with them?
Pizza.
Tissue bowl.
No, hot dog. No chashu bao. Hot
Where
dog.
are you?
Smell hot dog, not chashu bao.
Tissue bowl.
Hot dog. No, not chashu bao. Hot dog.
Tissue
Smell
bowl.
the hot dog.
Tissue
Hot
bowl.
dog. No, hot dog.
The sight of presents on you